Specific performance is a legal remedy available to parties in certain cases of breach of contract. It involves a court order compelling the breaching party to fulfill their obligations under the contract as originally agreed. Here's a more detailed exploration of specific performance. Understanding specific performance. Specific performance is a remedy typically sought when monetary damages are inadequate to compensate the non-breaching party for the harm caused by the breach. Instead of awarding monetary compensation, the court orders the breaching party to perform their contractual obligations as specified in the contract. Conditions for specific performance. Specific performance is not available for all types of contracts. Generally, specific performance may be granted in cases where 1. Unique subject matter. The subject matter of the contract is unique or rare, such as a piece of artwork, real estate property, or a custom-made item. 2. Inadequacy of damages. Monetary damages are inadequate to compensate the non-breaching party for the harm caused by the breach. This often occurs when the subject matter of the contract has a sentimental or unique value that cannot be easily quantified in monetary terms. 3. Feasibility. It is feasible for the court to enforce specific performance. This means that the court must be able to craft an enforceable order that compels the breaching party to perform their obligations under the contract. Examples of specific performance. Real estate contracts. Specific performance is commonly sought in cases involving real estate contracts, where the subject property is unique and monetary damages are insufficient to compensate the buyer for the seller's breach. Sale of goods. In certain cases involving the sale of unique or rare goods, such as artwork or antiques, specific performance may be granted to compel the breaching party to deliver the goods as promised. Limitations of specific performance. While specific performance is a powerful remedy for breach of contract, it is not always available or appropriate in every case. There are some limitations to specific performance, including 1. Impracticability. Specific performance may be impracticable or impossible to enforce in certain situations, such as contracts involving personal services or contracts with ongoing obligations. 2. Discretion of the court. The decision to grant specific performance is within the discretion of the court and is based on factors such as feasibility, fairness, and the equities of the case. Specific performance is a valuable remedy available to parties in cases of breach of contract, particularly when monetary damages are inadequate to compensate for the harm caused by the breach. By ordering the breaching party to fulfill their obligations under the contract, specific performance aims to provide the non-breaching party with the benefit of their bargain and uphold the principles of fairness and equity in contract law.